When we see astronauts floating inside a spacecraft, it might look like there's no gravity acting on them. But that's not exactly true. In reality, gravity is still very much present in space, just acting in a different way than we experience on Earth's surface. Even
Earth's
hundreds
gravity
of
pulls the
kilometers above
satellite,
Earth,
but
where
its
the
immense
International
speed
Space
causes
Station
it to
orbits,
keep missing.
gravity is still about 90% as strong as it is on the ground. So the big question is, if gravity is still there, why do astronauts float? Astronauts in their spacecraft are actually in a state of free fall. They're falling toward Earth, pulled by gravity, but they're also moving forward so fast that they keep missing Earth altogether. This motion creates an orbit. Think of it like this. If you throw a ball hard enough, it falls. But if you throw it extremely fast and at the right angle, it will keep falling around the Earth instead of hitting the ground. That's exactly what happens in orbit. This constant free fall creates the sensation of weightlessness, also called microgravity. It's not that gravity is gone, it's just that there's no solid surface pushing back on the astronauts to give them the feeling of weight. They're falling together with the spacecraft, so they float. This microgravity environment is incredibly valuable for science. In space, scientists can study gravity in isolation. Without the interference of air resistance or ground forces, some amazing effects in microgravity include fluids behave very differently. They form floating blobs. The human body loses muscle and bone strength over time due to the lack of weight. Fire, smoke, and chemical reactions act differently than they do on Earth. These experiments help scientists better understand how gravity affects the world around us, even when its effects are subtle or hidden. Space missions have also helped confirm Einstein's theory of general relativity, which says gravity isn't a force pulling things, it's the bending of